I literally just cut bangs 15 minutes ago and I posted a TikTok in it and I got a comment saying, now this is a canon event. Canon event? You know what an even bigger canon event is? The fact I'm finally moving. We're not just gonna live 40 seconds away anymore. I give up. I move tomorrow. Hi guys, in case you're new here, my name's Ava and welcome to my channel. And also, if you're new here, you probably wouldn't know the fact that I've been teasing a family move. I'm moving with my family, mind you, for the past year and a half. It has been such a long time coming and I've never been more ecstatic, actually, to leave. I hated every second here. I'm joking. I'm actually really sad about it and it's really bittersweet because like this is where everything started for me and I just wanted to say that one more time. This will probably be one of the last vlogs, if not the last, you're gonna be seeing in my room. Wow, that actually just made me really sad. But we're on to a new chapter and in this video, I don't really know what we're doing. I just need to pack. It is currently Tuesday, May 20th. We are moving on Saturday, May 24th. I have not packed a single thing. And here's our predicament. We have a pod outside of our house right now that leaves on Thursday. So that's 2 days from now. And if I do not get everything into that pod in 2 days, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get it to the new house myself. And that's just not something I want to do. So we gotta get our ass moving. I just wanted to update you guys on my closet. She's honestly looking a little bit better. I have one bag that I packed in the last vlog. I'm just gonna start packing more bags. I actually don't think I'm gonna be able to zip this. I think I underestimate how many clothes I actually have. I give up. I'm gonna go eat my Chipotle. Cute. Hey. Hi. It's day 2 of this vlog and basically I'm going to the mall. What's new? Priorities, am I right? I am so bad with time management. It's literally 2:15. Where did the time freaking go today? I don't know. I'm about to go pick up my girl Ava. She's finally home from college and this is like my last 3 days living next to her, guys. I don't think you guys understand. We have lived next to each other since we were in 1st grade. Since we met and I'm now moving away. So like I am so sad. I know she's sad. So we're doing the come pick me up, let's run errands together like one of the last times. Because, you know, we're not just gonna live 40 seconds away anymore. We can't just like pick each other up like that. And so I'm gonna go pick her up. Coming soon, we're gonna have to be like, wanna meet here at this time? Like, God, the world hates me. But we're going because Ava and I both need to go to Target. I need to do a return at Target. I need to do a return there. I need to do a return there and then maybe like shop. And then at the mall, we both need to go to Sephora. I need a new mascara. She wants a hair oil. And I have H&M return. Returns are like productive to me, okay? I get money back, girl math. So let's go pick her up. It's 29. Did you miss us?
Because we missed you.
Aww. This is my big bag full of returns. The bag is actually a return as well. So I'm currently in Sephora right now and I just saw my sister outside of H&M after my return. She deadass ran away from me. So she was with her friends, but literally my sister's friends were more excited to see me than she was. It's fine, Libby, I love you anyway. Just ate our yummy dinner and now we're on a walk. We don't know how long we're gonna be walking, but we have plans tonight. We're going on another double date. Not a date. 2 boy, 2 girl hangout. But we're really excited, kinda, sorta, I don't know. We're really excited, kind of, I don't know. I was supposed to pack today and it isn't really looking like that's really gonna be done. So plans are at 10. It's about it's about 7 p.m. So maybe I can like go home in the next hour and get some stuff done. And then we'll like meet up already and go hang out with these men. See you then. We have T-minus 2.5 hours till this 2-man whatever. So we're cracking open an energy drink and we're gonna get to work. We're gonna pack till I can't pack anymore. So cheers. This has gotta be my favorite flavor now. It's so good. This box right here, I've had sitting in my parents' room since January, and it is filled pretty much from the bottom up with like hoodies or like, I really couldn't tell you what I stuffed in the bottom. It's been so long. That's just gonna be a surprise for me when I unbox it in the new house. I can see what I've hung up, and there's still a little bit of room, so I'm gonna take stuff from my other closet that's hung up and just like put it into here. So let's go. I'm gonna call this one full because no matter like how much I think I can fit on this side, it's just gonna be so hard to pull out, and the point of this is so it's like easy and I can just put it straight into my new closet. But if it's like so full to the point where everything's just gonna fall off the hangers when I take it out, there's literally no point in this box. So she's done. One thing I'm remembering though is the fact that I still need to live in clothes for the next 4 days. I'm just gonna put all my hoodies in this black bag because it's too much work to fold them, and they're all gonna be hung up later anyways. I have some in the closet, and then obviously the ones all sitting on the floor. There's no point in like wasting a blue bag, and they take too much room in the clothing boxes. I'm bald. I'm bald! But at least I have my toasty Cheez-Its. Hi Cheez-It, if you want to sponsor me, let me know. I eat these every day for the past 4 years of my life. The pod got picked up this morning. I think maybe one clothing box got in there. But today, I think I'm just going to finish packing this closet, and then I have a big bin of tank tops that I need to go through, and I'm just gonna like sort out which ones I want to give away, which ones I want to keep, and then I'm just gonna stuff those all into a blue bag. Like, I don't really care about them being like folded. Let's go. Guys, I'm so... Is this not the exact same color skirt? Just one is Aritzia and the other one is Lululemon. That's how you know you just buy too much. I don't even remember what you have. So you just buy another golf skirt thinking you don't have this color. Okay, hey guys. I don't know why I do this to myself. I look like I'm going to ballet class right now. But, I'm going... Oh, God. I overbooked myself big time. I made lunch plans with my friend today at 12:30, and it's low-key 12:25, and I haven't left. That's okay. I think everyone just expects me to be a little late, so whatever. I haven't seen her in so long. I'm actually really excited to catch up with her. I'm just going to the Nordstrom Cafe, which is just so freaking good. If you haven't ever been, you need to put that next on your like out to lunch spots because it is so good. And I'm really excited, except I'm just like busy. Like, guys, I move tomorrow. And I don't know what I'm doing with myself. I think I do this when I'm like sad, but like I don't realize it. Like, I'm really actually sad that I'm like moving out of my childhood home, I think, and I'm just like avoiding like the fact that I actually need to pack, and I'm like making myself as busy as possible. I still have to work out and pack later, and I think I have a date. Oh my God, I need to go. Like, I'm just not real at all, actually. Moving day, and I don't really know how to feel. I'm excited, nervous, sad, yeah. I don't really know. I'm just like really processing the fact today. Like, I woke up, I don't know. I woke up for the last time in this bed today. Like, I'm not gonna sleep in here tomorrow. I'm just really sad, so I'm like trying to not think about it. But like, wow, this is my whole childhood. I've been crying like all morning, but it's chill. But anyways, guys, I did this thing again where I booked myself an appointment on one of the busiest days ever. So I have an appointment at 3:45 today in the middle of downtown Seattle. Don't even ask. So I don't really know how that works out, but I had like this booked a month ago, and they texted me this morning and be like, don't forget about your appointment. And I'm like, definitely would have forgot about it if you didn't just text me, so thanks. But that is just really inconvenient timing. So I have a lot to do for that appointment. My closet is mostly empty except for my workout clothes right there. And whatever this is, I don't really know. Fun fact, I used to play ukulele before I like started getting nails, so I'm gonna leave those here for now, but I need to pack all this stuff up. And this. I did just pack all my cosmetics though. This is all like my shower stuff, skincare, hair care. I'm not really quite sure how much I'm taking of this stuff, but not really a lot of it, so I literally just have to like start. Otherwise I'm never gonna do it. We gotta lock in, so let's go. So actually that is just not gonna fit in there, but I literally just took everything off the shelves. He served his purpose. He will forever be remembered. Because guys, he's probably not coming to the new room. I feel as if it is only right if the exact same vines are in here come to my new room. Okay, now I'm gonna cry. I just like can't believe like my first viral video was a room makeover, and like that's what started my channel. And I started my channel in this room through happy memories, and I just like I literally owe everything to you guys. I'm so sad. Thank you for 100k, thank you for 400k, thank you for my life, my purpose, and I can't believe I'm moving. I will literally never forget this room and all the YouTube videos I filmed in here, and I love y'all so much. I just love you guys. Oh my god, I'm dramatic as hell. Peace out, room.